Hi everyone, my name is Sarabjeet. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you the third type of function, user-defined function. Before starting this video, I request you all to please subscribe my channel. And after this particular topic, I will start OOP concept of C++. If you are very keen to learn that topic, then do follow my channel. Let's start this video. So in the third type, int function void, it means this type of function does not take any argument from the user. Argument means any value from the user, and it will return a value to the main. It means it will not take any argument, but it will return a value to the main program. So there is one example. I have created a program of addition of two numbers. Like I have created function int add, and then I have created the body of this function. After creating the body of this function and after creating the formula or adding the number that I have taken from the user, I am going to return this number to the main. So that's why I have written return C here, and I am closing this function body. And then I am going to write down the main. That is the main that I have showing you on the right side. Int main, this is the main authorized function of the program. Inside this main function, I am going to call you that add function. But I am calling this add function with one variable. Why so? Because this function is returning a value. When you call this particular function, then this function will also bring one value with it. Then that value is going to store in s variable. Okay, when your program or when your function will return any value, then that value will going to be stored in that variable s. Okay, now the answer is stored in s, and we are going to print that s variable with some message that answer is equals to s. Okay, how many values you can return in one function at one time? You can return only one value at one time. You can use only one return in one function. I think this particular program is clear to you. Now I am going to create one more program, but in this I am going to write down prototype first. It means when you write down prototype in the first line, it means you will create a function body after the main. Then I am going to create main program. In this program I am going to calculate the area of circle, and in this program I have created main body first. See, here the main body is created, and after the main I have created functions body. This method is also valid. You can use this method also, or you can use the previous method. In this we can create the function body before the main. Okay, when you create function body after the main, then you have to write down the prototype in the first line. In this I am going to explain you the function body first. This is the function body. In this we have created a function's name circle. Inside the function body I have taken two variable r and a. R stand for radius. It means I will take radius value from the user. In a variable I have written a formula of area of circle. And then after calculating this particular value, I will return this a value to the main. And this value of a will going to be stored in s variable when I will call this function. I have called this function here, and this function's calling, I have called this function in a variable. When this function will execute it, then this function will bring a value with it, and then that value is going to be stored in s variable, and I am going to print that as like this. So this is the second program. I think this program is clear to you, and this type is also clear to you. In my next video, I am going to explain you the fourth type, that is int function int. So if you want to learn this particular type, then do follow my channel and hit the like button also. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.